This training is all about safety. It's taking some lessons learned and things like that we've done in the past in PowerPoint type mode and putting them into a virtual reality environment where they actually get to walk through and experience what it's like to be on a real job site.
For our self-perform group, we started doing a lot of concrete work. It's just high hazard work. We wanted to onboard those people specifically in a better way. Safety training can be a little boring. The idea is to create more of that interaction and engagement, turning a monologue into a dialogue.
The big advantage of building it in-house is that, say, Dan sees something that comes up on a job site and is like, we need to start getting this into our people, so I can then update this VR safety training very quickly. A matter of a couple hours of creating a new incident in the software and then putting it on our platform.
Training people on the job site can be very risky. It's almost like flight simulators, right? Where you're learning a task, one that can be very dangerous. You don't really want to learn that one on the fly and make mistakes in the air, so you can make the mistakes in the simulator. I think it's very similar to this.
Smart Safety is a crisis management application that's whole purpose is to help reduce response time. The safety crisis management process in our industry is pretty antiquated. You could walk on a $150 million job in our industry right now. If there's an emergency on site, the response is to go blow an air horn. The purpose of creating Smart Safety was to reduce that kind of antiquated system, leverage the smartphone, leverage the geofencing technology, almost similar to an Amber Alert. If you're on a job site, anybody's empowered to hit the alert feature and push notify everybody so that they get to safety.
With this app, I try to stress that this is a better tool for us to get help, because sometimes seconds are important when somebody's injured. In the old system, it was a lot of paperwork, it was a lot of communication, and then everybody had to try to remember what to do. And this app makes it all more user-friendly. It's a lot easier when somebody pushes a button and everybody gets an instant alert. Nobody's hunting somebody down. They don't have to try to find somebody that's right there, right then.
Patriot Spaces was developed in conjunction with the United States Army Corps of Engineers. We work with them to develop rapidly manufactured and deployable treatment containers for response to the COVID-19 pandemic.
The products that we were producing need to be in the customer's hands in a matter of weeks. Most of the canvases that we work on are brick and mortar. This was a totally different type of construction.
We convert PODS containers into portable ICU room. We use all medical grade flooring, lighting, equipment. We innovate HVAC. We innovate negative air. Everything is cleanable to ICU standards.
We see the life of these units over the next 5, 10, 15 years being very viable. The need for rapid response units is going to be more predominant.
It's very exciting to know that our industry recognized the contribution that we had made to this pandemic.
We were kind of creating this thing in our own Pepper world, and to get recognition outside of Pepper is really exciting for sure.
To be acknowledged by the AGC is almost like winning an Oscar. This is the top of the top.